As I said in the previous lesson, auto grouping of dates is not the feature that is working all the time, and you can face a lot of problems with that, especially if the quality of your dates in the date column is not fine. And you can see this on the exercise 4.3, which is a separate file. If you try to insert a pivot table using the dates that I've prepared in there, you will see that on my Excel 365 the auto grouping operation is not working, and then when I try to group the dates just starting with the first date, the grouping cannot be found, and this is a problem for Excel. It will look a bit differently if I remove the date and I will keep one of the cells empty, and if I refresh my cells, you will see a blank value in here which refers to this empty cell. And when I try right now to group the dates, it's not going to work. But if I remove the date from rows, refresh the pivot table once again, place the date back on rows, you will see that the auto grouping has actually worked. Or if not, you can once again try to group it manually, and then you will see that actually the blank value is stored right now in a strange cell which says it's less than the 1st January of 2018. Another interesting feature of my dates that I've just translated into English names is that I actually don't see the years, the quarters, I just see the months. This is because all of the items I had belonged just to a single year, 2018. So if this is the case and you would like to see the years too, then you can once again hit the group operation and then select years or years and quarters, whatever you wish, to apply also other levels that can be found then on the fields lists.